When you think of cancer, the first symptoms likely to come to your mind are lumps, lesions, bleeding, etc. However, these well-known signs are not the only warning light for cancer. Many early symptoms of cancer could be caused by other issues, which are easy to ignore. Let's have an insight on commonly unnoticed and ignored signs of cancer on Impulse and Insight. Be sure to subscribe and watch till the very end. Constant fatigue. It's normal to be tired, especially if you're running against the clock or if you didn't get a good night's rest. However, if fatigue is a constant factor in your life and doesn't get better with rest, then it may be a sign that something is wrong. Cancer uses body's nutrients to grow and multiply. This may lead to low stamina and chronic lack of energy. Of course, cancer is not the only cause. Regardless, talk to your doctor and get back to your awesome self. Unexplained weight loss. According to American Cancer Society, many lost about 10 pounds, that is 5 kilograms, or more unexpectedly prior to their cancer diagnosis. When you lose weight suddenly for no reason, call the doctor and rule out the odds. Persistent pain. God allows everyone to have their own shares of aches and pain, many of them routine. But it can also hint an underlying cause. Pain is body's way of warning you about your health. A persistent pain in one part of the body may be a cause of concern. Persistent cough. Cough is body's natural way of throwing out unwanted substances. It may be due to cold weather, voice strain, common cold, or dozens of other fairly harmless causes. However, if the cough is chronic and doesn't go away, it's time to see a doctor. Types of cancer that damage or crowd the lungs and esophagus can cause coughing. Trouble eating. Cancer cells can press into your internal organs and disrupt their function. Although you might not think of them as symptoms of cancer, problems with digestion are potential warning signs. Lack of appetite, pain during or after eating, trouble swallowing are all reasons to see a doctor. Changes in skin. We probably notice skin changes first. But concealing or shrugging it off is what we may choose to do. If you observe changes of color or enlargement of warts and moles, hyperpigmentation, jaundice, and redness, the best option is to consult your doctor. In short, noticing one of the following symptoms doesn't mean you have cancer. But to be sure and resist cancer, it is better not to ignore these symptoms but discuss with your doctor. Be aware.